I'm building this, but using hardware. This is part 2 of how to make your own music player device. Today we'll be talking about how to pick a speaker. Because to play audio, you need a speaker. And today, instead of wearing a felt crown, I'm wearing this super comfortable Bambi Berkshire hoodie. When designing this device, I kept in mind 3 key main metrics: impedance, power, and size. First up, impedance, which tells you how much the speaker resists the flow of electricity. Really good analogy here is the water pipe. Think of the water like electricity. Having a low impedance is like having a very wide pipe. A lot of water or electricity can get through. Having a high impedance is like having a narrow pipe, so not much electricity gets through. In speakers, a lower impedance means that you need more current to deliver the same power. Conversely, a higher impedance means less current to hit the same power, but more voltage. In speakers, 8 ohms is a super common impedance value. 4 ohms is also common, but you need more current to drive that speaker. Secondly, speakers have a power rating in watts. This essentially tells you the maximum power that the speaker can handle before you damage it. Higher power generally means you can go louder. Also remember that you have to design your device in a way that can actually deliver this power. A half-watt speaker is a simpler design than a 10-watt speaker. Finally, size matters for speakers. Keep track of the size. Smaller speakers usually mean lower power handling and a weaker bass. There's just not enough air to move around to create those lower frequencies. What this means is that if you're space constrained, you'll have narrower options. You'll probably be working with a brighter, thinner sound. That's all for today. I hope this gave you a good enough introduction into what to look for when sizing and selecting speakers for your audio circuits. Stay tuned for next time!